Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Aditya Prajapati. In this video, I am going to talk about how making videos is helping me to learn this language, how making videos is helping me to get fluent fastly. So if you are a beginner, you have to watch this video because this is going to be very important for everyone who come from village areas and they are just wondering how to practice English, with whom to practice, because there is no one with whom you guys can practice. I can relate to you guys because I also come from very humble background, village areas where nobody speaks in English language. And if we guys are interested in learning this language and we want to practice, if we are going to practice in front of them, they are just getting irritated by us and they say many kinds of bad things. So in this video, I will tell you how can you practice by making videos, because I have done it and I also have learned this language, and I will tell everything how making videos is helping me to get fluent, and it is making me very good speaker. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Guys, literally speaking, when I did not start my YouTube channel, I was not very confident. I was not able to have a call in English language. I was not able to have a call in English language. I could not speak in English language when anyone is talking in a call, literally speaking. But from when I started my YouTube channel and I am practicing continuously, I'm not just uploading the videos, but also with that I am learning a lot and I am improving every day. And I have uploaded so many videos and it helped me a lot. Now I am able to speak very well. I am able to understand very well because I am not just making my videos, but with that I am editing the video, and after that I am just uploading the video. Okay, so there are 3 to 4 times I am watching my video, and this is helping me to make over my mistakes, and this is helping me to where am I making mistakes, and after that I am able to correct that mistake, because making videos is giving me an opportunity, a kind of opportunity, because if I'm making videos, I will be able to watch, I will be able to re-watch this I mean my video, because we just have recorded and we can watch, and where do we make mistakes, where are we making mistakes, we can see in our videos. So I just see and I just make over the faults, I just correct the mistakes that I am making, and this is how the making videos is helping me. And guys, if you are a beginner, you just have to start making videos. I'm not saying that you have to upload in YouTube, you are uploading or not, but you have to make the videos for practicing purpose, because it can help you a lot. You will not need to talk with anyone, and you can practice by yourself by making your videos. Okay, so whatever, as a beginner, I know you will not have so many sentences, so many words in starting, because you did not listen to the things in English language, because you don't have the content enough in your mind. So because of this, you will not be able to speak very well. But don't worry, as much as you are able to speak, you just have to speak. Don't worry about the mistakes, because mistakes are the part of your journey. When I started learning this language, I was not able to speak very well. I was making so many mistakes. I was literally speaking, I was making so many mistakes. If I would worry about the mistake, if I would have been worried about the mistakes, I would not be here. I would not be able to speak good English, because mistakes are the part of the journey. Whatever the new things we are going to learn, we will definitely make many mistakes, multiple mistakes, and this is making us strong. This is making us strong because we are learning through mistakes, and this is the process. This is just a process, and you will have to pass this process. So I will highly recommend everyone to make videos, and after that you have to watch your video. Where are you making faults? Where all are you making faults? And after that you have to correct that mistake in another video. This technique will help you a lot. This will make you fluent. This will make you fluent, and you will not need to go outside for practicing. You will not need to talk with anyone. You will not need to practice with your friends. You can practice by yourself at home without stepping out of your home. This is how I learned this language. And guys, believe me, I practiced a lot before I started my YouTube channel. I practiced of listening too much before I started my YouTube channel. I practiced writing. I practiced so many things in English language, but I was not very confident about speaking. I was not. But making videos helped me to have a kind of confidence. Now I can talk in front of anyone, even on the stage. Guys, literally speaking, I am having a lot of confidence today. I can speak in English language in front of everyone. I can speak in English language in a call. So this is helping me a lot, and I will be uploading my videos because it is helping me in lots of ways. So I will advise everyone who is just going to start learning this language and who have started before and they are unable to speak after practicing a lot of things, but they are unable to speak because they are not practicing of speaking. They are not giving enough time for the spoken practice, so they are just afraid of speaking. So this will help you. The video making technique comes there. When you are not able to speak, you have to speak in front of the camera, and after that you have to correct the mistakes. Okay, so if you found something relevant by watching this video, you have to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and comment on my video, and you have to apply this technique and you will get good results. 100% surety, you will definitely get good results. There will not be anyone who can stop you to speak good English if you are practicing at least for 10 minutes or 5 minutes every day in front of the camera. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another very specific video. Bye bye.